I think a far bigger effect might be this interest rate situation. Do you talk to anyone who says this keeps up, Republicans have a problem on their hand? Or is it a reflection of a good economy and that's a good thing?
Listen, I think I don't think most of my trading sources and investing sources are worried about marginally higher interest rates. What they worry about is simply this, that the tax cuts do not work as prescribed. You did a massive corporate tax cut. I mean, you basically you kept most of the loopholes in there, and you took the rate down from 35 to 20. So it's very, very low for most corporations. That tax cut should create a supply-side stimulus that puts people to work and keeps GDP.
So will it work in 4 weeks to Republicans' advantage?
I don't think
you need more time.
No, I think it's as long as we don't dip below 3 in that, people are going to say they can run on the improving economy. My point is, for further out there, if the economy doesn't grow and continue to grow, that this tax cut didn't work, then the Republicans do have problems, because they have two problems. They have lack of growth, lack of wage growth, and they're going to have a ballooning deficit. And if you get a ballooning deficit...
No, they don't. You keep saying these lies. They have growth, they have wage growth.
It's not. No, it's not. It's 2.7%.
No, it's been averaging. It's been averaging.
Right. That's what it averaged.
It was averaging 2% of Barack Obama.
The last 2 years.
No.
The last 2 years.
Here's where I got to catch you.
No, that's 8 years.
You always lie.
No.
You always lie.
No,
you lie, liar, pants on fire.
You are comparing the first 2 years.
No. You just make a general statement and you expect
Obama was handed a recession.
I understood. I'm just saying average growth around 2. Average growth for this guy closer to 3.
How many years?
That is a substantial difference.
How many years is Trump been in office?
He's been a year and a half.
Okay. Take the last 2 years of Obama.
Well, you could slice any way.
No, that's logic.
No.
His last 2 years, these last 2 years.
You were trying to push a point that you know is
2
wrong.
years. 2 years.
I'm not saying that's apologist for anybody.
Don't.
You are being you are damning a recovery that even you would have to admit is remarkable.
I like it because it keeps going. That's what's good about it. But you are basically saying that George Bush's recession that he handed Obama, that he gets blamed for that.
No. I'm going by the numbers that they are to each president. The average for
we had a deep recession.
The average for
True.
Understood. I know all the caveats you mentioned. I'm not taking sides on this. His average is lower than this president's average. I'll be the first to say this guy has a lot less time in office.
The reason why Barack Obama got reelected in 2014 is that the economy was improving.
He got
and wages were improving, and they're right where they are now.
In 2012, when he got reelected, 2014, with an improving economy, and they still end up losing seats. The fact of the matter is that this growth is more substantial than the growth that Barack Obama was experiencing.
No, the last 3 years.
You can base it on
last 3 years
coming out of a recession.
The last 3 years are the same.
You're just incredible. You are just
I looked at the chart 5 seconds ago.
I've got a chart for you.
Put it up. Put up wage growth.
We showed this chart. You know what? I'm going to show your wage decline. All right. In the meantime, why do we do this?
I don't know. I touched something.
Yes.
No, it's one of those safe words with you. Wages.
Well, when I see wage growth, does the president flip over me?
Is that your safe word?
Does the president flip over me?
Is that your safe word?
Does the president flip over me? No. Does he flip over you? No. Are we looking at two different ends of the same spreadsheet?
He never mentions me.
Yes.
He mentions everybody around here but me. I'm jealous.
All right. Well, feel the love. All right.